In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive map on Squarespace. To get started, open your Squarespace page in edit mode and navigate to the section where you want the map to appear. Once you're in the right spot, click on 80 block. This opens the block library where you can insert different kinds of content into your page. In the search field, type map. This is the fastest way to find the map block without having to scroll through all the available options. When the map option appears, click on Map to insert it into your page. Squarespace will immediately place a map block in that section, giving you a basic map that you can customize. Next, hover over the map block and click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the Map Settings panel, where you can control both the appearance and the information displayed on the map. First, go to the Design tab. This is where you choose how the map looks visually on your site. Click on Grayscale to preview that design style. This option gives the map a clean, muted look that often works well with more minimal website designs. Then click on Satellite. This changes the map style to a more detailed visual view, which can make the location feel more dynamic and interactive. Choosing between these styles really depends on the look and feel you want for your website. After adjusting the design, click on Content. This is where you'll enter the location details that Squarespace uses to place your map marker correctly. In the business name field, enter your business name or the label you want visitors to see. Then enter the street address in the address field. After that, fill in the city, state, and zip code. Finally, enter the country. As you add this information, make sure everything is typed accurately and formatted clearly, since even a small typo can affect how the map displays the location. If the marker doesn't appear exactly where you expect, double check the address details first. Once those fields are complete, your interactive map is set up and ready to help visitors find the location on your Squarespace site. This is a simple but useful feature, especially for business pages, contact pages, or any website that needs to show a physical destination clearly. That's how to create an interactive map on Squarespace.